Hi students, this video will show you how to play arpeggios, 2 octaves in each hand. Arpeggios are important to play on the keyboard to gain a wider range of coverage. It's important to have a good hand shape so that your thumb can cross under. In the right hand, we'll use C major, so we're using the C triad. We're arpeggiating that up 2 octaves to here. So you start with 1, then you go to the 2nd finger, then the 3rd finger on G, cross under, it's a wide cross to your thumb, 2, 3, 5, then come back down, 3, 2, 1, reach to 3, 2, 1. So you can see if your hand is flat, it's going to be very difficult to cross under and then back over. So you want a nice curve, lots of room to cross your thumb under. The left hand, the most common fingering is to use your 4 in the middle note of the triad, but some people use 3. I'll demonstrate with 4. So we start with 5, 4 on E, 2, 1, 4 to E, 2, 1, 2, 4, thumb under, 1, 2, 4, 5. I'll quickly demonstrate with the 3rd finger. If you prefer that, that's fine. It just depends on your hand shape and your reach. 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. When you play arpeggios hands together, you'll feel the thumbs together on the tonic. Thumbs together. Of course, this fingering can be extrapolated out to more octaves. Instead of using my pinky, I just cross under and keep going. Keep going. Sorry if you hear my dog singing along. Okay, when you switch to the minor triad, switch to an E flat. Now you may feel more comfortable with 3 on the flat. Again, it just depends on your hand. So all I'm going to do is change the E to E flat. And I'll try it with 4 on the flat now, just to compare. Okay, and that's an introduction to arpeggios. You can increase your speed as you gain comfort. Happy practicing.